The seventh inscription name was Chandupatla inscription. Chandupatla inscription. Chandupatla inscription. This inscription laid by Pula Mummadi or Pula Yemmadi. Pula Mummadi or Yemmadi. Who was the servant under the Rudramadevi's Chief Army General Mallikarjuna Senani. Mallikarjuna Senani. This Pugula Mummadi or Yemmadi works under the Mallikarjuna Senani. This Mallikarjuna Senani, Chief Army General of the Rudramadevi. And this Chandupatla inscription in the year 1289 century AD. 1289 century AD. And this Chandupatla located at Nalgonda district. Nalgonda district, Telangana state. Telangana state. Nalgonda district, Telangana state. The Chandupatla located. And the information from that inscription was the Kayastambadeva. He was the feudatory king under the Kakatiyas. He raised one revolt against the Kakatiya rulers for his sovereignty. Hence, the Rudramadevi attempted to crush the revolt raised by the Kayastambadeva. Incidentally, she was died in that revolt. This is the information said by the Chandupatla inscription in 18th century AD, installed by the Pugula Mummadi or Pugula Yemmadi, who was the servant under the Chief Army General of the Mallikarjuna Senani of Kakatiya Rudramadevi. And another inscription name was the 8th inscription, Tripurantaka or Tripurantakam inscription. Tripurantaka or Tripurantakam. Tripurantakam inscription. This Tripurantaka located at Nellore district. Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. And this Tripurantaka inscription installed by the or laid by the Induluri Annaya. He was the son of a minister who works under the Prataparudrata II. Induluri Annaya. He was also belongs to the Kayastha family. Or clan. Kayastha clan. Already we told about the Ambadeva, one of the rulers in Kakatiya kingdom. He was raised when revolt against the Kakatiyas for his sovereignty. He was also belongs to the Kayastha clan. And this inscription in the year 1291 AD. 1291 AD. 1291 AD. And information was, source of information was from that inscription, that is he, that means Indulur Ennaya, refers the victories of Kayastha Ambadeva. Kayastha Ambadeva's victories imbibed in that Triprantika inscription. The victories of Kayastha Ambadeva. The victories of Kayastha Ambadeva. This was the information, or source of information throughout Triprantika inscription, live by the Indulur Ennaya in 1291 century AD. That was located in Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. He was belongs to the Kayastha family. Also we told Ambadeva was related to the Kayastha family. This refers to the victories of the Kayastha Ambadeva. And another inscription or epigraph name was Sakalaveedu epigraph. Sakalaveedu epigraph. Sakalaveedu epigraph. This epigraph installed by the laid by the Kakatiya king Prataparudra II. Prataparudra II in the year 13-17 century AD. 13-17 century AD. And this Sakalaveedu epigraph told, that means it refers the various taxes in the Kakatiya kingdom. Various taxes. This is the first aspect. Various taxes. And second aspect was the king Prataparudra to donate the many villages to the god Kaveri Ranganatha. God Kaveri Ranganatha. The king Prataparudra II donated the many villages to the god Kaveri Ranganatha. This is the information through the Sakalaveedu epigraph. And the 10th inscription name was, that means Kolanupalli inscription. Kolanupalli inscription. Kolanupalli inscription. This was also laid by the Kakatiya king Prataparudra II. Prataparudra II. This Kolanupalli inscription lied in the year 1321 century. 1321 century AD. And this inscription told that the king Prataparudra II donated the many villages to the local temples. Name were, first temple name was Channakeswara temple, and the second temple name was Narasimha Swami temple. First aspect, Channakeswara. Chennakeshava temple. And second aspect was Narasimha Swami temple. These two temples got the many villages as in the form of the donation by King Prataparudra II. That was in 1321 century AD. That inscription name was Kolanpalli inscription. These were some of the inscriptions